So when we looked at his paper, question paper, Sarvesh Methani rank 1, it was kind of blank.
Always remember, the speed of your mind is infinite time fast than your hand.
2017 में सर्वेश मेहतानी, he was rank 1 and he was a part of the same institute. So जब वो JEE Advanced का पेपर देके वापस आया, so again students used to come back to institute, so because the teachers would be waiting and they would be evaluating कि कितना हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, and so on. So when we looked at his paper, question paper, Sarvesh Methani rank 1, it was kind of blank. पूरा ब्लैंक था, मतलब there was hardly any calculation, बहुत कम calculations की हुई थी, because you are supposed to do calculation on the question paper only in JEE Advanced, because उसी के अंदर वो space होती है, and बहुत कम calculation थी, right? So this shows कि कितना calculation mentally student करता है, and इस तरह के questions if you do mentally, if you do orally, it helps a lot because you are able to think on the strategies and not on the calculations. So what happens is in mathematics, a lot of students have this phobia of calculations. कि calculations खराब है, and they focus a lot on calculation part. Once students get into the calculating part, he is going to lose out on strategy, because mathematics, a good problem consists of two things. One is the strategy, how to think, how to structure your problem, structure your solution, and the second is there are going to be calculations, because if it is mathematics, calculation तो होगा ही होगा. So what we want is the calculations mentally, basically trivial calculation इतनी mentally हो कि he is able to focus more on the structural part of the solution and not on the calculation, because the calculation का phobia होगा, वो structure पे कभी भी ध्यान जाएगा नहीं, strategy पे कभी ध्यान जाएगा ही नहीं. Right? So it is very important to do these kind of problems orally. ठीक है, it is going to take time. बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि starting हो जब होंगी हम नहीं सोच पाएंगे, that's perfectly fine, but again the ultimate goal is trivial calculations have to be done mentally. Right? So this is the basic idea.
And in fact, always remember, the speed of your mind is infinite time fast than your hand. तो जितना आप लिख कर सकते हो उससे infinite time fast आप सोच सकते हो.